Hello, this is Carol Lynn Steiner. I'm so glad to have you with me again, author of My Bible, MYBYBLE, for the extended lifespan. I am going to talk to you today about heart flutters. And so many people experience these atrial fibrillations or little flutters, and it can be frightening at times, but there is a very simple, quick solution. When you get the skipped beat of the heart, you cough like that. 3, 4, 5 quick coughs, and that will reestablish a normal heartbeat rhythm. And that's if it's just a normal flutter. Now, if you get these flutters often, then it is a nutrient deficiency. And I write extensively in my Bible about what that deficiency can be. Is it from the B vitamin group, or is it from the group calcium, magnesium, vitamin D3, and vitamin K2? And that group, always remember, they work synergistically. You never take one without the other. I explain all this in my Bible in detail. And I also explain from whom I buy and why. And please remember that I never get paid from any company, and I only recommend companies that I have known for a very long time and that I know are consistent and reliable. That is so very important. The hat I put on for so many of my friends who have known me for such a long time, and they're accustomed to seeing me in my hat, so I thought that this evening I would tap that on for those of you who know me for so many years. Now back to the heart flutters or atrial fibrillation. Please read everything that's in my Bible, and then you will know exactly how to naturally take control of this situation and see what you can do. See you again very soon. Please stay with me.